For more than 20 years, Socket Mobile has delivered the very best in data capture devices, from our traditional handheld barcode scanners to our tabletop NFC readers. We are now proud to introduce our latest innovation, the DuraScan Wear, a revolutionary wearable data reader built to fit on the back of your hand. The DuraScan Wear handles the most difficult scanning situations with ease while keeping both your hands and eyes free.
I was able to pick up packages where I wouldn't normally be able to because both of my hands would be full, and it was comfortable on my hand. It did not get in my way.
With its accompanying hand wrap, the DuraScan Wear can be worn over your bare hands or work gloves.
When we've had a lot of scanning to do, because it's so lightweight, you can actually wear it for a long time and not get tired.
The DuraScan Wear comes in multiple models, with 1D laser scanning options that can read barcodes through plastic or glass, and omnidirectional models that read both 1D and 2D barcodes. Powerful and reliable, the DuraScan Wear works everywhere. It can even scan damaged and imperfect barcodes with the utmost ease. With an industry-leading battery, you can get through any workday on a single charge.
I'm using the other scanner and then put it down, and I did something else, and then I have to think where I put it. On this one, I don't have to worry about it because it's always in my hand.
The DuraScan Wear is fully compatible with any Socket Mobile Capture SDK integrated app. Whatever the situation, the DuraScan Wear has you covered. Visit socketmobile.com or contact our customer support team to see how the DuraScan Wear can transform your business operations.